I'd like to discuss a case of a woman who had breast implants a very long time ago, 20 plus years, that a result of weight fluctuation pregnancy, the breast sagged. She had the correct implant position, meaning the implants were placed under the muscle, but because they're now in such a low location, essentially none of the implant is covered by muscle. By coming out of the pocket, you now have a subglandular implant with all the typical sequelae of them being way too low, achieving absolutely no volume at the top, and no real cleavage. The way I approach this operation is twofold. I worry about the pocket and the skin. The pocket I open in the cleavage area and in the upper area to create now this upper fullness and a much better, closer cleavage. And then I close the pocket, starting from the cleavage, going all the way around and up into the armpit. And this essentially creates what's called an internal bra. And what that leaves us with is a lot of loose hanging skin. And I correct that simply by performing a lift, making sure I achieve and maintain a good blood supply to make sure that this operation is done in a very safe, effective, and reliable manner. My name is Leonard Hochstein, and if you are suffering from breast implants that have sagged over time, please give me a call.